Shalom everyone, hope you're doing well. Back to my favorite corner. After the great success in the amazing events we had in New York, New Jersey, and Florida a few weeks ago, I am very happy to announce that I'm coming back again to the East Coast, to New York, New Jersey, and Miami, to another series of lectures. And I'm very, very excited again. The lectures are going to be falling on amazing dates and events. We're going to have an amazing event in Brooklyn on Pesach Sheni. Day after, we're going to have an amazing event in Great Neck, following an amazing event. I know all the events are amazing. We're going to have an amazing event in New Jersey. And then the following week, Sunday, Lag BaOmer, Miami. I'm in Lag BaOmer in Miami. And Bezrat Hashem, we're going to have a series of lectures, one after the other. I'm very excited. I know everybody's asking about the West Coast. West Coast is going to be planned, and when we're planning it, it's going to be Bezrat Hashem in the middle of June towards the end of June. And we're also working on Texas, Midwest, Phoenix, and a few other cities. We'll announce that. But in the meantime, Brooklyn, New Jersey, Miami, pay attention. Look at the end of this video at the flyers. You can go to the link, tzmud.org/tour to find more information. The flyers are going to be there. But look at the flyers, look at the events, look at the topics. The topics are going to be very, very powerful. We're going to be talking about current events, biblical prophecies, everything that's going on right now in the world, what we need to do. Pesach Sheni, Lag BaOmer, we're going to have amazing, amazing events. So share this video and go to the link so you can see information. If you're seeing the video on YouTube or in a place where you don't see the flyers, go to the link, tzmud.org/tour, where you can see the flyers posted there. Or if it's on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, all these other places, you'll see the flyers. Share them with everyone you know. Bezrat Hashem, it's very close. It's next week. We're going to have amazing, amazing events on Pesach Sheni, Lag BaOmer. And don't worry, West Coast, we're working on the event. We're working on the tour for the West Coast in June, followed by many others, other wonderful events. So in the meantime, have a wonderful, wonderful week. Be safe wherever you are. And East Coast, I can't wait to see you next week and the following week. Share it, and we're going to have wonderful, wonderful events. Bezrat Hashem.